Test paper 5. Yes. Okay. Test paper 5. What was the first question? Do anyone remember? HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 360 respectively. HCF 9, LCM 360. Okay. If one of the numbers is 45, find the other number. Should I need to explain this question? HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers. Using that formula, you will substitute, you will get the other number to be 72. Okay. Next question. Okay, that was given in the year 2019 sample question paper. Okay. Next question was from quadratic polynomials chapter. Next question was from polynomials chapter. Okay, zeros of the polynomials were given. What are the zeros of the polynomials? 5 minus 3 root 2 and 5 plus 3 root 2 were the zeros of the quadratic polynomial which is given. Okay, and we were asked to find the quadratic polynomial. Given alpha and beta, alpha plus beta, alpha into beta, you will find the sum of zeros, product of zeros. Okay, then you will substitute in the standard form x square minus sum into x plus product, right? That is the standard form. You will substitute punishment. Okay, that was for 2 marks. Next, third question we have, solve the quadratic equation. Okay, what's the quadratic equation which is given over here? This third question was asked. This third question was asked in the year 2022, set 2. Okay, in 2022, set 2. Yeah. So, given the quadratic equation, what is the quadratic equation which is given? What is the quadratic equation given? X square minus 2ax plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Okay, that is the quadratic equation given. So, when you solve the quadratic equation, you will be getting the factors so and so. So, your x value will be either a plus b or a minus b. Now it became more clear, I believe. Yes. Okay. Yes. Banta. Third one now. Next, the fourth one was simultaneous linear equations. Two equations were given. 3x minus 5y is equal to 4 and 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Solving those two equations, you will be getting x value as 9 by 13, y value as minus 5 by 13. Okay. Next question was question number 5. If one of the root of the quadratic polynomial is given, that is 3x square plus px plus 4 equals 0. One of the root is given, that is alpha is given as 2 by 3. Find the value of p. Okay, one of the roots are given, so substitute the root value over there. You will get the value of p. P is supposed to be minus 8 and you have to find the other root. They have asked you to find the other root also. So substitute p value over there, you get a quadratic equation over here. When you solve the quadratic equation, one root is 2 by 3 that you already know. The other root is plus 2. Doubt? Doubt? Okay. Next question. As it is, you people always ask me that whether this question comes or not in the board exam. Yes. This is a train question, distance based question. Speed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So obviously these kinds of questions come. Let the original speed be x. Let the distance covered be 480 km per hour. Sorry. Distance covered by the train is 480 kilometers. That's it, not per hour. 480 kilometers. So what is time taken? Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Okay. So 480 by x hours. So if the speed is decreased by 8 km per hour, the speed is decreased. What does it mean? X minus 8 km per hour. What will be the time then? 480 divided by x minus 8. Okay. So when you have 480 divided by x and when you have 480 divided by x minus 8, which one is greater? X minus 8 is greater. 480 divided by x minus 8 is greater than 480 divided by x. Right? So you will subtract greater smaller number from the greater one. Okay, 480 divided by x minus 8 minus 480 divided by x is equal to 3. Okay, this is given in the question. It would take 3 hours more than the same distance. Okay, so then when you solve for x, you will be getting either 40 or minus 32 kilometer. What is x? X is speed. Speed can't be negative. So you will only consider the positive part. Down. Next question we have out here is, prove that 2 minus root 3 is irrational, given that root 3 is irrational. Okay, I have not given over there root 2 is irrational.
So we should prove root 2 is irrational.
Yes. Not required.
Okay.
That is understood that root 2 is irrational. That is understood that root 2 is irrational.
Yes, the same question, like 5 plus 3 root 2 be,
ಇದು NCERT ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. They have not proved root 2 is irrational.
our class teacher.
This is given in NCERT.
So it is given for less marks. Only 2 marks.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ less marks ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. The question is prove root 2 is irrational. Prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Sir, 3 marks ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 5 plus 3 root 2 is irrational ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಮೋರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ 5 ರೂಟ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವಾಗ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದು.
ಸರ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ. 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್.
3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. 2 minus root 3 will be a rational number. This is an assumption we will take. A by B forum it goes. A by B forum where A and B are integers and B is not equal to 0. A and B are co-prime. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So to overall it comes under P by Q forum, but which is equal to root 3. We know that root 3 is irrational. So henceforth our assumption is false. So 2 minus root 3 is irrational number. Yes, you people can do this, right? Okay. Next question, age question. Okay, of course, all of you would have lost marks in this question also. So age question. Beka answer sheet cards kattelgade ide. Noಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. Okay, the present age of father is 3 years more than the 3 times the age of his son. Okay, let the father's age be x, son's age be y. Okay, present age of father x is equal to 3 years more than the 3 times. 3 years more, 3 times the son plus 3 years more. Okay, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅದು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 years later, hence the father's age will be 10 more than the twice the age of his son. 3 years later means x plus 3 is equal to 2 into y plus 3 plus 10. Plus 10 ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
10 years.
10 more than. Okay? 2 years later ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3 years later. Plus 3 ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? 3 years later. You get one more equation, 2 equations solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x 33 y 10 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So father's age is 33 years, son's age is 10 years. I have got varieties of answers. Father's age is 12 years, son's age is 10 years. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸರ್, ಇದೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Okay, downstream or upstream question, as this is the for sure question. This time it was not there in the paper, I believe. Illa. So exactly. Okay. So x, y, downstream, upstream.
Upstream in that train question.
Train question is there. If train question is there, that means downstream, upstream questions will also come under.
Yeah.
Three section.
It is basic you are most important. Okay, ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. x 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, anyone doubts in this question? No. Methodology of solving doubt? ಏನು doubt methodology of solving ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x minus y ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ? And upstream ಗೆ x minus y, downstream ಗೆ x plus y. ಏನು while you are getting down, while you are going down the steps ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, speed increases. So add up ಆಗುತ್ತೆ speed. When you are going up ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, speed decreases and you can subtract ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Divided by the respective terms. Then you take 1 by x plus y as u, 1 by x minus y as v. ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ NCERT ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, I told it to our school, they are like, no, they won't give.
Your school goes for valuation. I go for valuation now. Okay, u v value ಕಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, then u v ಗೆ again you will get the linear equation in two variables, solve it, you will get x squared. Okay, question number 10. The LCM of the two numbers is 145 and the LCM is given. Find if one of the number is 725, find the other number. HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. 65 baritre, you will get the other number to be 435. Done? Now? Really? You have another note for it. Discussion market be in the discussion. Okay? Question number 11. Okay, a polynomial is given, exactly divisible by this. Find the value of r. People tell this won't come, but why I tell this will come and tell it, the division algorithm. You are not dividing a polynomial. Polynomial? You are just substituting the root values over there. So these kinds of questions might come. Idu illa anta esto jana ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ these kinds of question won't come anta. Why it will come anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ I am giving the justification. Okay, so better you find out the value of the quadratic polynomial which is given. Okay, you will get the roots, substitute the roots, you will get pq for a one equation, two equation. One root to one equation barutte, innೊಂದು root to ಇನ್ನೊಂದು equation barutte. When you solve both of them simultaneously, you will get the values of pn. Okay, ಈ question is second time ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes sir.
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೋ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Okay, question number 12, last question of this question paper. A shopkeeper keeps a certain number of books at ₹80. If he buys 4 books, then the new cost. Idunu baridivi ansutte. Innondu question paper alli this is a repeated question. Twice bandide idu. Okay, very simple edit ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದು ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪೇಪರ್ ನ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಟ್ಟು ಇದು this paper test paper 5. Test paper 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we had combined. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ I combined both basic and standard together ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು, ಈ ಸರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ 5th ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, so only the question has been repeated. Okay, wherein you get the amount, you can solve all of them. Okay, ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇದು? ಈ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ? ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿದಿರಾ?
ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು. Okay, so 16 books are the number of books. Okay, done? ಇವತ್ತು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ? Go for today's paper? Yes. Okay. Simple ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬಂದ್ರಾ?